Hey guys, welcome back. So today, as you can see, man, I sound horrible. As you can see by the title of this video, it's going to be about, I'm going to recreate one of Jaclyn Hill's looks. I was last night, my goodness, you guys, I'm like sick. I don't know if I'm sick or it's my allergies. I don't know what it is, but I sound funny, but I still wanted to film this video. But I was looking through her channel, and I was looking through all her videos, and one of them, I mean, they all caught my eye, but one of them caught my eye really, like the way she did her makeup. It was like, I will link her video down below in the description box. That way you guys can go check it out, see her channel, and if you haven't subscribed to her, go and subscribe. So I was looking through her videos, and I saw this video where she like woke up early. She had to do something with her family. It was like perfect, you guys. Like, it looks so good. She did like, well, you guys will see as I am going and doing my makeup, but it looks so good, and I really, really liked it. It's very subtle, but yet very glamorous, very, like, you could tell, like, it looks so good, you guys. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, she's gorgeous as it is. So yeah, but let's get started. Okay, you guys, so to start with my eyebrows, I'm gonna use Morphe's eyebrow palette. And yeah, you guys, I really like this. This is really, really good. And of course, my eyebrows are maybe the ones that take forever to do. Because once your eyebrows are done, everything else comes into place. Like, it's so easy. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, I'm gonna go in with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I can never use my my fingers, because my nails are so long. Like, it's ridiculous. And the brush I'm gonna use is a concealer, Sigma Concealer F75. And just pack that on there. Okay guys, so my eyes are primed. Now I'm gonna go in with Tarte's Park Avenue Princess. And going in with Morphe's R40, just like really so fluffy. I'm gonna go in with Princess Cut, which is, show y'all, this one right here. Am I doing it right? That one. And just kind of with this one, go all over your lid. As I'm sitting here doing my makeup, I see like white hairs everywhere. I have so many, it's not even funny. I'm gonna go in with Morphe's Jaclyn Hill Vault, just because the palette that she used to put a really dark brown on the side of your lid on the corner, I do not have. So I'm gonna go in with, I think it's Prowl, which is this brown color right here. I don't even wanna touch it because with my nail, because I already did that with another one, and no. I'm just gonna apply that just a tad bit on the corner. Just kind of blend that out just a little bit, and go back to it if you need to. And I totally forgot to mention the brush that I'm using. It's Morphe's M506. It's very small, just to kind of get in there. You don't want it too big, because then the whole shadow is going to go all over your lid, and that's not what you want. Okay, so now that my eyelashes are done, I was having, oh my gosh, I was having such a hard time putting my lashes on. Like, it was ridiculous. But anyways, moving on to my face, finally. I'm gonna go with Eternal Secret SPF 50. And this I got in Mexico. Well, my mother got it for me in Mexico. And just apply that on the face, because where I live, it's too much sun. Usually when I put stuff on my face, as far as primers and stuff like that, I use a brush. And if you guys are wondering what I'm looking at, there's a mirror behind you guys. Now for foundation, I'm gonna go with Kat Von D's Lock-It in the shade Medium 57 Warm. And I need to go, eventually I'm gonna go get another one because I use this a lot. And going in with Sonia Kashuk's limited edition foundation brush. Okay, so foundation is on, and now I'm gonna go in with Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. This is always so messy, you guys. I don't know why it's so messy all the time. And I always end up doing this side first just because there's so much in there that somehow that's how it just got messy. The brush that I'm gonna use to blend that out is e.l.f.'s Ultimate Blending Brush. And I would usually use a beauty blender, but it's where I wanna use it. To set my concealer, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier's translucent powder, and the brush is Sonia Kashuk number 19. And I don't know why, you guys, I've said this before in my previous videos, is that I always end up doing one side of the face first and then the other when it comes to concealers. I don't know why, I just do. Next, you guys, I'm gonna go with Park Avenue Princess, and with the brush Morphe's E36. It's very, very tiny. I'm gonna go back in with Princess Cut and just kind of put this under. I'm gonna go back to Prowl, and then with a Morphe brush, just a flat brush, and I'm gonna just grab a little bit and put some of that on the outer corner of my lash line. I'm going back with this tiny E36 Morphe brush, kind of blend that out. My eyes are watery, I don't know why. And just do the same thing on the other side. Now going with the same palette where I got Prowl, I'm gonna go in with VIP, which is this one up here. And going in with Sigma's Pencil E30. It's just so pointy. This is the one I use when I put some shadow in the corner. And now going with Sigma's Firm Shader E57 brush. It's a bit it's very flat. So with this one, I like to use to apply some shadow on my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go in with the brush Morphe R2. This is one of Jaclyn Hill's favorite brushes. This is a brush actually that I bought when she first, when Morphe was selling her like Morphe Jaclyn Hill like favorite like brushes, but in a set. And this is the one that came in it. And I actually love this one too. This is one of my favorite brushes. And going into Princess Cut. And I think I got a lot of product, but that's okay. My hair's in the way. Now, before I forget, I'm gonna go in with Morphe's eyeliner pencil in Coconut. Now for blush, I'm gonna go in with Note in the shade Desert Rose, 05 Desert Rose. And the brush that I'm gonna be using is, this brush I just got it at Ross. It's a Urban Studio blush brush. Oh yeah. Yep. And that's enough. I was actually gonna get more, but with this one, I think I'm good. I don't know why my lash is doing something funky in the middle, but I'm just gonna leave it. Next, you guys, for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Amerzy. I really hope I'm saying that right. And the brush I'm gonna be using is Morphe's M510. Next, for mascara, I'm gonna go with Wander Beauty Unlashed. And this is the only one that I use for my bottom lash line just because it's so small. For my top lashes, I'm gonna go with Butter London's Double Decker Lashes. This one I got in one of my BoxyCharms. Now for my lips, I'm gonna go with e.l.f.'s liquid matte lipstick in the shade Blushing Rose. Then I'm gonna go in with Kissable by Cookie Professional liquid lipstick in the shade Instigator, and I'm just gonna put that in the middle, like just a little bit to give it a little bit of more color to it. And just go with my finger. And then just to add a little bit of gloss, I'm gonna go with Maybelline's Vivid Hot Liqueur. I think that's what it says. In Too Cute. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna go in with MAC's Prep and Prime Fix Plus in, what is it? Coconut. And that is it for me, you guys. This is the look that I at least tried to recreate that Jaclyn Hill did. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to link her video down below in the description box. That way you guys can go and take a peek on exactly how she did it and I try to recreate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed creating it. It's actually one of my favorite looks that she's done when they're like super simple. Subscribe, you guys, hit that subscription button, hit that bell, so that way you'll get notified whenever I upload videos. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to make or to looks that you want me to recreate. I'll do it. Just let me know. But thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I love you guys, and thank you so much for clicking on this video and taking the time out of your day to watch it. So I will see you soon. Bye.